Hello students, welcome to the second video of a combination class. Before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति शांति शांति. So stop. Today we will discuss properties of combination. Properties of NCR. Previous class we discussed about what is the meaning of NCR and its proof using some problem. You know, selection, that is a combination. Combination means the number of selection of n different things by taking some or all at a time is known as combination. Okay. Number of selection of n different things taking r at a time is denoted by NCR or C of n comma r, where NCR equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, where r less than or equal to n, greater than or equal to 0. Okay. You know NC 0 equal to 1, NC 1 equal to n, NC n equal to 1. Okay. So, what are the properties of NCR? Properties of NCR, where r less than or equal to n and greater than or equal to 0. Number 1, NC0. Okay. So, NC0 equal to n factorial by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. N factorial by 0 factorial is 1 and this is n factorial. So, n factorial cancel and this is 1. So, NC0 equal to 1. Okay. Like that, NC1. So, NC1 means n factorial by 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial, and this is n into n minus 1 factorial by 1 factorial is 1 into n minus 1 factorial. So, n minus 1 factorial cancel and this is n. So, NC0 equal to 1, NC1 equal to n, okay, but NCn equal to also 1. Number 2 property, NCn minus r. So, what is value of NCn minus r? So, NCn minus r means n factorial by n minus r factorial into n minus n difference n minus r. So, n minus r whole factorial, and this is n factorial by n minus r factorial into n minus n cancel, minus or minus plus. So, this is r factorial and this is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, and this is known as NCR. So, NCR equal to, so NCR equal to NCn minus r. NCR equal to NCn minus r. So, NCR and NCn minus r are complementary combination of other. NCR and NCn minus r are complementary combination of other or each other. Like that, for example, 5C2 equal to 5 minus 2, 3. So, 5C2 equal to 5C3. Like that, 7C2 equal to 7C5. Like that, 10C5, okay, 10C3 equal to 10C7, okay, etc. So these are the complementary. 10C3 equal to 10C7, 7C2 equal to 7C5, 5C2 equal to 5C3. So these are the complementary combination. So now property 3, NCX equal to NCY, NCX equal to NCY. If x not equal to y, then x plus y equal to n. Either NCX equal to NCY implied x equal to y or x plus y equal to n. Do you understand? NCX equal to NCY. It n ଅଛି, it n ଅଛି. C x y. So x must be y or x plus y equal to n. যদি x equal to y হবনি তেবে x plus y equal to n হব. Okay. So one condition must be satisfied. Why? NCX equal to NCY implied x equal to y or x plus y equal to n. Proof. NCX equal to NCY, and you know NCY equal to NC n minus y. NCX equal to NCY, and you know NCY equal to NC n minus y. Okay, that implied NCX equal to NC n minus y. So here x equal to what? N minus y. So x equal to n minus y, that implied x plus y equal to n. Okay, so x plus y equal to n, or NCX equal to NCY, then obviously x equal to y or x equal to y. Okay, or x equal to y. Here NCX equal to NCY, that means x equal to y. NCX equal to NCY, NCY equal to NCn minus y, that implied x equal to n minus y or x plus y equal to n. Okay. For example, if NC2 equal to NC5, if NC2 equal to NC5, then n equal to dash, then equal to dash. NC2 equal to NC5, here 2 not equal to 5. If x not equal to y, in NCX equal to NCY, if x not equal to y, then x plus y equal to n. Here n equal to 2 plus 5, 7. So answer n equal to 7, because 2 not equal to 5. So 2 not equal to 5 means sum of these equal to n, that implies n equal to 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Next, number 2, if NC3 equal to NC8, then NC5 equal to dash, then NC5 equal to dash. Okay. So answer is NC3 equal to NC8. Here 3 not equal to 8, that means n must be 3 plus 8. So answer n equal to 11, 3 plus 8. Therefore NC5 means 11C5. So 11C5 means 11 factorial by 5 factorial into 11 minus 5, that is the 6 factorial. So 11 factorial means 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So 6 factorial. Okay. So 5 factorial and 5 factorial cancel, or you can write 6 factorial. So 6 factorial, 6 factorial cancel. Then 5 factorial means 5 into, that is here we write this. So 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4, 2, 8 cancel. Okay. So 5 into 3, 3 is it has your 5 into 2. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 7, 42. So 42 into 11, that is 11 to the 22. 11 4, 44 into 2, 44 into 2, 46. So 462, its value is 462. So if NC3 equal to NC8, then NC5 equal to dash. So naturally NC5 equal to 462. Okay. Next, so property 3, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. The very important property, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Why? It will be N plus 1 CR. Proof LHS. NCR plus NCR minus 1. You know NCR means N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial plus N factorial by R minus 1 factorial into N minus N difference R minus 1. So this is N minus R plus 1 factorial. Okay. And this is N factorial by here R factorial, here R minus 1 factorial. So R factorial means you have to write R into R minus 1 factorial. Okay. Then N minus R factorial. Okay. Plus here you write N factorial by R minus 1 factorial into N minus R plus 1, means you can write in this way, N minus R plus 1 into N minus R factorial. तेणु सिंप्लीफाई कला बेले फास्ट तुम सब लोएस्ट फैक्टोरियल को कन्वर्ट कर लोएस्ट फैक्टोरियल फॉर्म को कन्वर्ट कर ये एन माइनस आर फैक्टोरियल अच्छी ये एन माइनस आर प्लस 1 अच्छी सो यहाँ प्लस 1 अच्छी ना यहाँ बड़ फैक्टोरियलटा तेणु बड़ फैक्टोरियल सान फैक्टोरियल जाए तुम एक्सप्रेस करा पड़ो जमी आर फैक्टोरियल अच्छी आर माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल अच्छी तो आर फैक्टोरियल आम लिखले आर इंटू आर माइनस 1 फैक्टोरियल. ओके नाउ हियर एन फैक्टोरियल हियर एन फैक्टोरियल r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus r factorial, take it common. So this is n factorial by r minus 1 factorial, okay, into n minus r factorial. We take it a common. After taking common, now here 1 by r, 1 by r will plus 1 by n minus r plus 1. Okay, do you understand? Which is equal to n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial. Here take it LCM r into n minus r plus 1. Okay, and this is n minus r plus 1 plus r है तो minus r plus r cancel है and this is n into n plus 1 n factorial into n plus 1 divided by r minus 1 factorial. Here r is also r into r minus 1 factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1, n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial, into n minus r factorial. Okay, so n factorial into n plus 1. So this is n plus 1 factorial, like that 5 factorial into 6, so it is 6 factorial. So n plus 1 factorial whole by r into r minus 1 factorial and this is r factorial, n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial, 11 into 10 factorial, that is 11 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, factorial and n plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. It is n plus 1 CR, because if we express n plus 1 CR, that is n plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n plus 1 minus r factorial, that is n minus r plus 1 factorial, and this is n plus 1 CR, okay, which is equal to RHS, Therefore, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. For example 5C2, okay, 5C2 plus 5C3, this is known as 6C3, because NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is n plus 1 CR. एडी आरटा केते अछि 8 होछि 3 एडा r r minus 1 NCR plus NCR minus 1, that is n plus 1 CR, like that. 11c5 plus 11c6 plus 10c5 okay. So 11c5 plus 11c6 plus 10c5. Now 11 okay, so 11c5 11 that is here 11c5 plus 11c6 okay, 11c6 that is here 12 is there okay. So what is its value? 11c5 plus 12c6 plus 10c5. Now this is 11c5 plus now this is so find 11c5 plus 11c6 plus 12c5 okay. You know 11c5 plus 11c6 that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 এটা n নিও এটা r এটা কোন আছে r minus 1. So its value is 11c5 plus 11c6 plus 12c5. Now applying this formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 which is equal to n plus 1 CR. So n plus 1 means 11 plus 1 12c6 plus 12c5 like that NCR plus NCR minus 1 and n plus 1 means 13. So 13c6 13cr okay. Next number 2. Number 3, find the value of 5c4 plus 6c3 plus 7c3 plus 8c3 plus 9c3 plus 5c3 okay. So what is its value? What is its value? 5c4 plus 5c3. Now first you add this one 5c4 answer. You write first 5c4 plus 5c3 plus 6c3 plus 7c3 plus 8c3 plus 9c3. First we write in this way 5c4 plus 5c3. 5c4 plus 5c3 means this is 6c4 NCR plus NCR minus 1 plus 6c3 okay, 6c3 and plus 6c3 plus 7c3 plus 8c3 plus 9c3. Then again 6c4 plus 6c3 7c4 then 7c3 plus 8c3 plus 9c3 7c4 plus 7c3 7c4 plus 7c3 means this is 8c4 plus 8c3 plus 9c3. You know 8c3 plus 8c4 this is 9c4 plus 9c3 and which is equal to 10c4. Its answer is its value is 10c4 okay. So NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR okay. Next another property NCR equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. NCR equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1 okay. This is also another property, fourth property NCR equal to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1 okay. First we take the RHS part RHS. So RHS n by r into n minus 1 factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus 1 difference r minus 1. So this is n minus 1 minus r plus 1 factorial. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel and this is n by r into n minus 1 factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r into n minus r factorial okay. You know n into n minus 1 factorial this is n factorial r into r minus 1 factorial, this is r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, which is NCR. So NCR, so LHS equal to RHS. Therefore NCR equal to n by r into n minus 1 C r minus 1. For example, 20C2, its value is dash. What is 20C2? So 20C2 means you can write answer 20 by 2 n by r into n minus 1 means 19C1. So 19C1 equal to 19 because NC1 equal to n. Okay, so this is 20 by 2 into 19, so 210, that is 190. So its value is 190. Okay. So next property, fifth property, NCR, that is NCR by NCR minus 1. Okay, NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by n minus r. So NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r by. So this is okay. Now we prove this one. NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. So take it LHS. NCR means n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial divided by NCR minus 1 means n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n difference r minus 1, that is n minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, n difference r minus 1, that is n minus r plus 1 factorial. Now that implied n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, it has r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial whole by n factorial. So n factorial cancel है, ये r factorial अच्छी, ये r minus 1 factorial अच्छी, नहीं कि? So r minus 1 factorial, we split the highest factorial into lower factorial. तो lower factorial जाए तुमको split करिया पड़ियो. ये n minus r अच्छी, ये n minus r plus 1 अच्छी, ये बड़ा factorial आपको split करियो n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial whole by r factorial means you can express r into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, so n minus r factorial cancel है, ऐटा cancel है, and this is known as n minus r plus 1 by r. So NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Okay, next fifth property, the greatest value of NCR where r less than or equal to n greater than or equal to 0. So NCR means here which numbers are there? NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5 ... NCR. Okay, NCR plus 1, NCR plus 2, last लेकिन अब NCN अच्छी है ना. So among NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 ... NCN, before NCN, NCN minus 1, before NCN minus 1, NCN minus 2, which one is the greatest value? एमानंग भितर सबुठु बड़ भैल्यूटा केते? Okay, so each NCR is a natural number, So a natural number भितर सबुठु बड़ भैल्यूटा केते? Which one is the greatest value? Okay, the greatest value of NCR equal to NCN by 2, if n is even, जदि n टा even हम तो सबुठु greatest value होछि तमरो कोन NCN by 2. For example 18CR, तो 18CR रो greatest value केते? 8CR माने कोन आसी एडी? 8C0 आसीओ, 8C1 हबो नै कि 8C0, 8C1, 8C2, 8C3, 8C4, 8C5, 8C6, 8C7, 8C8. So among 8C0, 8C1, 8C2 up to 8C8, which one is the greatest value? The greatest value is, if n is even, the greatest value is NC n by 2. Here n is 8. So the greatest value is 8C n by 2 means 8 by 2, 8C4. The greatest value is 8C4. तेणु 8C4 भैल्यूटा समस्त ग्रेटर हम. ओके, इफ n is odd, then the greatest value is NCn minus 1 by 2 or NCn plus 1 by 2 हम. Either NCn minus 1 by 2 or NCn plus 1 by 2. Okay. For example, if 9CR is there, which one is the greatest value? 9CR टा कौन by d? n minus 1 by 2. n minus 1 means 9 minus 1, 8 by 2 केते 4 है. 9C4 हम और n plus 1 by 2, 9 plus 1 केते 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 2 केते 5 और 9C5. You know 9C4 equal to 9C5 because NCR equal to NCn minus R. 9C4 जा 9C5 था. So the greatest value is NCn minus 1 by 2 or NCn plus 1 by 2. Do you understand? What is the greatest value of NCR? For example, greatest value of 9CR is 8C4 and greatest value of 8CR is 8C4 and the greatest value of 9CR is 9C4 or 9C5. Okay. So these are the properties of NCR. Okay. If 2NC3 is to NC2 equal to 44 is to 3, then find N. Okay. Now we do first question. 2NC3 is to NC2 equal to 44 is to 3. Answer 1. So 2NC3 by NC2 equal to 44 by 3. That implies 2NC3 means 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n difference 3 factorial whole by NC2 means n factorial by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial and which is equal to 44 by 3. That implied 2n factorial by 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial whole into and into is so 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial divided by n factorial equal to 44 by 3. 44 by 3. Okay. Now here 2n factorial is there, here 2n minus 3 factorial अच्छी. तो बड़ factorial सब बोले सानो factorial जाए तो मुझे express करिया पड़े. So 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. Here 3 into 2 factorial. So 2n minus 3 factorial. Here 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial remaining same n minus 2 factorial by n factorial means you can express n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Okay. So n factorial lagwe n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 लिखिया पड़ियो है. So this is 44 by 3. n minus 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial cancel. 2n minus 3 2n minus 3 cancel. एटा 2 factorial 2n factorial cancel है. n को n cancel है. Okay. Then 83 अच्छी. Okay. So 2 into that implied 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2. Take 82 common from this bracket. So 2 into 2 4 है. n into 4 into 2n minus 1 into n minus 1 है. ये टूट जाइए ना तो n minus 1 है. तो ये 2 into 4 है. Okay. So this is 44. That implied 4 ये cancel है 11 है. That implied 2n minus 1 into n minus 1 again है. तो 2n minus 1 by अच्छी by 11. Okay. So into अच्छी whole into that implied here also here so এটা cancel ହେଲା 44 by कौन अच्छे ये by n minus 1 is there so n minus 1 so n minus 1 cancel that implied 2n minus 1 is equal to 11 तो 2n minus 1 equal to 11 means 2n equal to 12 है तो 2n equal to 12 means n equal to you get 6 ओके देखो ये जो आम 2 कमन ले 2 इंटू 2 कौन 4 है 2n minus 1 इंटू कौन अच्छे n minus 1 है बाय n minus 1 अच्छे ना ये बाय n minus 1 इक्वल टू 44 ये जो 4 अच्छे 4 इंटू 4 to 44 कैंसिल कले 11 है so 2n minus 1 equal to 11 that implies 2n equal to 12 है and out 6 then answer 2 number answer so here NCR equal to sorry this one is NPR not NCR NPR here NPR equal to 5040 NCR equal to 210 so what is value of N and R okay you know NCR equal to NPR by R factorial do you understand NCR equal to because or you can write in this way NCR means what n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial okay but n factorial by n minus r factorial means NPR so this is NPR by r factorial but NPR means what NPR okay so NPR equal to 5040 5040 okay here NCR means 210 so 210 by r factorial okay that implied r factorial equal to 5040 by 210 है so cancel है 21 है ना तो 20 केते आसीबो 0 cancel है so 21 ये केते अछि 504 अछि ना so 21 2 जा so 21 2 जा उछि केते होछि 21 2 जा केते 48 sorry 42 वाला एडी केते आसियो 42 वाला एडा केते आसी जे 8 रहला नकी सो 8 रहला ये 4 रहला सो 21 4 जा 84 रहला 84 so 4 r factorial that implied r factorial equal to 24 but 24 means 4 factorial so r factorial equal to 4 factorial that implied r equal to what 4 so r equal to 4 okay next what will be n now NPR equal to next we have to calculate the value of n देखो so we get r equal to 4 so how to calculate the value of n okay value of n that is NPR equal to 5040 so NPR R means 4 that is NP4 equal to 5040 NPR means you know n factorial by n minus r factorial n minus 4 factorial equal to 5040 la okay 5040 that implied you split the n factorial up to n minus 4 factorial n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial cancel है so this is a 5040 so it is the product of 4 consecutive number so you have to express 5040 is the product of 4 consecutive number 5040 को मध्य तुम 4टा संख्यार गुणफल रूपे एक्सप्रेस करिया पड़ो ना 5040 आकुरो एलसीएम नहीं जाओ तो 2 नंबर फास्ट 2 बाहर करियो ओके सो एटा केते आसो 2520 हला सो नेक्स्ट 2 1 2 हला 260 हला देन 2 2 6 12 2 3 0 ओके देन 2 3 जा then 15 then 3 okay 3 nale 3 1 0 5 then 3 3 is 15, okay, then 5 7, okay, 5 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 गोटे देख 5 अच्छी ना 5 अच्छी गोटे 7 अच्छी तुम एटा गोटे नहीं जाओ है एटा गोटे नहीं जाओ. सो दिस इज 5 अच्छी नहीं कि अच्छा. सो 2 into 2 into 2 के 8 आसला आउ गोटे 9 नहीं जाओ आउ गोटे के 2 5 10 नहीं जाओ, ओके. सो 5 0 4 0 इक्वल टू 1 इज 9 है ये के 5 into 2 10 है 7 अच्छी 8 अच्छी. सो दिस इज ओके 10 into 9 because 3 into 3 9, 5 into 2 10, okay. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. तो 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 देखो एटा कौन अच्छे n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. It is the product of 4 consecutive number. That's why you express 5040 into 4 consecutive number. जेहेतु ये चार्टा संख्यार गुणफल अच्छी तेणु 5040 को तुम चार्टा संख्यार गुणफल रूप एक्सप्रेस करा पड़ो. दैट्स वाइज बाय कंपेयरिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट यू विल गेट n is equal to 10. Therefore n equal to 10, or you can compare n minus 1 equal to 9, then it will be n equal to 10, okay. So n equal to 10 and r equal to 4, okay. Next number 3 answer 3. Here 15c r plus 3 equal to 15c 2r minus 3, like that ncr nc x equal to ncy, either x equal to y or x plus y equal to n. You can take any result, that is r plus 3 equal to 2r minus 3, or you can take another result also, r plus 3 plus, okay, r plus 3 plus r plus 3 plus 2r minus 3 plus 2r minus 3 equal to 15, okay. Now r minus 2r equal to minus 3 minus 3 minus 6, that is minus r equal to minus 6. So r equal to 6, you can get r equal to 6, or 2r plus r 3r, 3 minus 3 cancel, so 3r equal to 15, that implied r equal to 5. So r equal to 5 or r equal to 6, okay, anyone is true. That's why it's similarly you can do the second one, 42cr plus 3 equal to 42c 3r minus 5. You can take r plus 3 equal to 3r minus 5, or you can take also r plus 3 plus 3r minus 5 equal to 42, okay. So next we do some another problem. From 6 gentlemen and 4 ladies, a committee of 5 is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done if the committee is include at least one lady, okay. So we make a committee consisting 5 member including at least one lady. आमे जो कमिटी फॉर्मेशन करिया से कमिटी 5 जन मेंबर रहिबे, से 5 जन मेंबर अति कम रे गोटे लेडी रहिबा दरकार, okay. Since it contains at least one lady, so the committee can be made in following manner. Number 1, one lady 4 gentlemen, 2 lady 3 gentlemen, 3 ladies 2 gentlemen, 4 ladies 1 gentleman, okay. 4 ladies 1 gentleman. You cannot take 5 ladies because of in that 5 ladies is not kind of 5 ladies nahanti, okay. So the committee can be made 1 lady 4 gentlemen, 2 ladies 3 gentlemen, 3 ladies 2 gentlemen, 4 ladies 1 gentleman, okay. Now we write these things, okay. So there are 6 gentlemen and 4 ladies. A committee of 5 members include at least one lady can be made in following manners: 1 lady and 4 gentlemen, 2 ladies and 3 gentlemen, 3 ladies and 2 gentlemen, 4 ladies and 1 gentleman. Okay. So the number of ways of 1 lady and 4 gentlemen can be choose out of 6 gentlemen and 4 ladies. Okay. 4C1 गोटे लेडी सिलेक्शन करियो 4टा लेडीज रो, दैट इज द 4C1. 4 gentlemen can be select out of 6 gentlemen in 6C4. Okay. The number of ways of 1 lady and 4 gentlemen can be choose out of 6 gentlemen and 4 ladies can be choose in 4C1 into 6C4 because 4 ladies is there, 6 gentlemen. So 1 lady and 4 gentlemen. 1 lady can be select out of 4 ladies in 4C1 ways. 4 gentlemen can be select out of 6 gentlemen in 6C4 way. Okay. Next, the number of ways of 2 ladies and 3 gentlemen. 3 gentlemen can be choose. Okay, 2 ladies can be choose out of 4 ladies in 4C2 into 3 gentlemen can be choose out of 6 gentlemen in 6C3 ways. Okay, 6C3. Next, the number of ways of 3 ladies and 2 gentlemen can be choose in, okay, 4C3 because 3 ladies can be selected out of 4 ladies in 4C3. 2 gentlemen can be selected out of 6 gentlemen in 6C2. Okay. Similarly, the number of ways of 4 ladies and 1 gentleman. 4 ladies and 1 gentleman can be choose in 4C4 into 6C1. Okay, 6C1. Therefore, the total number of selection can be made. Therefore, total number of selection can be made equal to 4C1. So committee रे केमती फॉर्मेशन हो परियो, एमदी ही परियो और ना नहीं. So 4C1 into 6C4 plus 4C2 into 6C3 plus 4C3 into 6C2 plus 4C4 into 6C1. Okay. So this is the final answer, or you can find it exact its value. तो मैं को डिराइव करी एक्सपांड करी यार वैल्यूटा बाहर कले भी हम नाई एति रखले भी ठीक हम. ओके. सो दिस सिलेक्शन कैन बी मेड इन दिस वे. फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ केस बाहर करियो, तापर टोटल नंबर बाहर करना सब जाक ऐड हम. ओके. नेक्स्ट वी विल डू अनदर क्वेश्चन. A cricket team consisting 11 players is to be chosen from 8 batsmen and 5 bowlers. In how many ways can the team be chosen so as to include at least 3 bowlers? Okay. So now there are 8 batsmen and 5 bowlers. We make a cricket team consisting 11 players including 3 bowlers. So in how many way a cricket team can be made? So the cricket team can be made including at least 3 bowlers, that is 3 bowlers and 8 batsmen. जदि 3टा bowler नब बैट्समैन केतना ना पड़ियो 8टा बैट्समैन ना पड़ियो. ओके. और 4 bowlers, 7 batsmen. Okay, or you can take 5 bowlers, 6 batsmen, or you can take 6 bowlers, but 6 bowlers is not available. Okay, तेणु 6टा बॉलर को तुम नहीं पार ना जदि 6टा बॉलर नब बैट्समैन के ना पड़ो 5टा रखा पड़ो किंतु आम पाखे 6टा बॉलर ना ना सो बॉलर इज नॉट देयर बिकॉज 5 bowlers is there. Okay, so the cricket team can be made only 3 cases, that is 3 bowler and 8 batsmen, 4 bowler, 7 batsmen, 5 bowlers and 6 batsmen. Okay, now first you have to find the number of selection, then add all the selection, you will get the total number of selection. Okay, now we write these things in the previous question also, style form. Okay, so 3 bowlers and 8 batsmen can be choose. The number of ways of the number of ways of 3 bowlers, 3 bowlers and 8 batsmen, 8 batsmen can be choose out of 5 bowlers and 8 batsmen. Okay, so 3 bowlers can be choose out of 5 bowlers in 5C3 and 5C3 into 8 batsmen can be choose out of 8 batsmen 8C8. 8C8. Okay, do you understand? Next, the number of ways 4 bowlers and 7 batsmen can be choose out of 5 bowlers and 8 batsmen. So 4 bowlers can be choose out of 5 bowlers in 5C4, 8C7. Okay, 7 batsmen can be choose out of 8 batsmen, that is the 8C7. Next, the number of ways 5 bowlers and 6 batsmen. So 5टा bowler नब 6टा batsmen ना पड़ो and 6 batsmen can be choose in. So 5 bowler can be choose out of 5 bowlers in 5C5 into 6 batsmen can be choose out of 8 batsmen 8C6. Okay, this is the number of ways. So the total number of ways of the selection, therefore total number of cricket team can be made, total number of cricket team can be make equal to 5C3 into 8C8 plus 5C4 into 8C7 plus 5C5 into 8C6. Okay, this is the required answer to find a number of ways of team can be made. Okay, next we do another question. Find in how many ways can a student choose 5 courses out of courses C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9. Okay, if C1, C2 are compulsory, these 2 courses are compulsory and C6, C8 cannot be taken together. Okay, so these are course at a time nahi paribo nahi. Do you understand? A student choose 5 courses, but C1, C2 compulsory and C6, C8 cannot be taken together. Okay, if there is no restriction, then the number of selection of 5 courses out of 9 courses without restriction, that is the 9C5. जदि किसी रेस्ट्रिक्शन न था 5टा कोर्स सिलेक्शन करियो बोले तुम कौन लिखि था 9C5, बट हियर रेस्ट्रिक्शन इज देयर कौन ना C1, C2 आर कंपल्सरी. ओके, So C1 C2 are compulsory, means he choose 3 course out of 7 course, out of 7 course. आमर कौन अच्छे 7टा कोर्स अच्छे ना नहीं, सॉरी C1 C2 C3 C4 C5 C6 C7 C8 C9. Okay, so a student choose 5 course, but C1 C2 compulsory. Since C1 C2 are compulsory, so he choose 3 course out of 7 course in how many ways? 7 C3 ways. But C6 C8 cannot be taken together. So that's why first we have to find number of selection of 3 course, number of selection of 3 course taking C6 C8, taking C6 C8. That's why he choose one course, okay, one course, remaining C2, sorry C3 C4 C5 C7 and C9 in 5C1. देख कौन कहला ये तुमको 5टा कोर्स सिलेक्शन करिया पड़ियो. C1 C2 कंपलसरी है, जदि C1 C2 कंपलसरी है कौन करिया पड़ियो? 3टा कोर्स सिलेक्शन करिया पड़ियो. सो 3टा कोर्स सिलेक्शन करियो केतरा रु? 7टा कोर्स रु, तो 7C3 हला 7C3 ए सिलेक्शन रे 5टा कोर्स सिलेक्शन हेची ताइरु C1 C2 कंपलसरी अछि आउ एमानक भितरु ए जो 7टा कोर्स 7टा रु तबे जे कोनोस 3टा थिबो ना नहीं. किंतु बट C6 C8 कैनॉट बी टेकन टुगेदर. 5टा कोर्स रु जदि C6 C8 एट ए टाइम जो कोर्स रे थिबो, जो सिलेक्शन रे थिबो, सेटा के नेवर बी कंसीडर. दैट्स व्हाई सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड number of selection of 3 course taking C6 C8, taking C6 C8. बर्तमान तुमको 3टा कोर्स सिलेक्शन करिवो जो सिलेक्शन रे ऑलरेडी C6 C8 थिबो, से सिलेक्शन रे कोन थियो जे C6 C8 थिबो. ओके, એટલે C6 C8 थाइगिरी तुमको आउ गोटे 3टा कोर्स रु C6 जदि C8 रहिला आउ गोटे कोर्स सिलेक्शन करियो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आउ गोटे कोर्स सिलेक्शन करियो, गोटे कोर्स रिमेनिंग केतरा रु C3 C4 C5 C6 C9 केतरा अछि 5टा कोर्स रु कोन गोटे कोर्स सिलेक्शन करियो. दैट इज अ 5C1. 5C1 मीन्स कोन एटा नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ 3 कोर्स, नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ 3 कोर्स इंक्लूडिंग C6 C8. तार तो कौन थियो C6 C8 थाइरे C3 थाई पारे, C6 C8 थाइरे C4 थाई पारे, C6 C8 थाइरे C5 थाई पारे, C6 C8 थाइरे C7 थाई पारे, C6 C8 थाइरे C9 थाई पारे. એટલે C6 C8 C3 C6 C8 C4 C6 C8 C5 C6 C8 C7 C6 C8 C9 ए कोर्स केबे भी कंसीडर हो पारिबो नाही. दैट्स वाइ द नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ 5 कोर्स where C1 C2 are compulsory and C6 C8 cannot be taken together is 7C3 minus 5. ए 5टा सिलेक्शन केबे भी हो पारिबो नाही. काहेकि ना 5टा सिलेक्शन रे C6 C8 दीरा को थाइगिरी एट ए टाइम अच्छी. ओके, -5 हम तुम यहाँ को 5C1 अब लिखे हम -5C1. दिस इज द आंसर 7C3 -5C1. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो हाउ कैन यू राइट? ओके, सो देर आर 9 कोर्स. ए स्टूडेंट चूज 5 कोर्स. सिंस C1 C2 आर कंपलसरी, सो ही चूज 3 कोर्स, रिमेनिंग 7 कोर्स इन 7C3 ways. Okay, but C6 C8 cannot be taken together. That's why initially you have to select number of selection of 3 course including C6 C8. That's why he choose one course out of 5 course, out of 5 course in 5C1. Okay, therefore the number of selection of 5 course where C1 C2 are compulsory and C6 C8 cannot be taken together is 7C3 minus 5C1. 7C3 minus 5C1 है एटा टोटल सिलेक्शन है 5टा कोर्स C1 C2 कंपलसरी अच्छी आई C6 C8 रही जाइए किंतु जो सिलेक्शन रे 5टा कोर्स थी C1 C2 थी C6 C8 थाई एटा थी C6 C8 थाई C4 थी C6 C8 थाई C5 थी ए 5टा कोर्स कौन करार अच्छे हमको रिमूव करार अच्छे दैट्स वाइज माइनस 5C1 दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ओके वी राइट इन द सेंटेंस फॉर्म okay so you write in this way there are 9 course C1 C2 C3 up to C9 a student choose 5 course since C1 C2 are compulsory so he choose 3 course remaining 7 course in 7C3 ways but C6 C8 cannot be taken together. So first we find the number of selection of 3 course including C6 and C8. That's why he one course choose out of C3, C4, C5, C6, C9 that are 5 course in 5C1 ways. ना नहीं जेहेतु C6 C8 एट ए टाइम नहीं पार ना तो प्रथम आमको बाहर करा पड़ो नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ 3 कोर्स इंक्लूडिंग C6 C8 तेणु C6 C8 थाई C3 C6 C8 थाई C4 थी C6 C8 C5 C6 C8 C6 C8 C7 नहीं C7 हम C6 C8 C9 ए 5टा कोर्स केबे भी इंक्लूड हो पारिबो नाही देयरफॉर द नंबर ऑफ सिलेक्शन ऑफ 5 कोर्स where C1 C2 are compulsory and C6 C8 cannot be taken together is 7C3 minus 5C1. 7C3 is 35 minus 5 so equal to 30. So in 30 ways now 30 ways select the number of 5 course where C1 C2 are compulsory and C6 C8 cannot be taken together. Okay, this question is important also. Next okay, some question for yourself. Number 1, find N and R if NPR equal to 240, NCR equal to 120. Number 2, NPR equal to 1680 and NCR equal to 70. Number 2, find N if NC3 is to 2n minus 1 C2 equal to 8 is to 15. Number 3, a committee of 6 people is to be chosen from a group consisting 7 men and 8 women. If the committee must consists at least 3 women and 2 men. Okay. So in how many different committee are possible? So the committee can be made consisting 6 people including at least 3 women and at least 2 men in the following manner: 3 women and 3 men, 4 women and 2 men. Okay. जदि आम 5टा वोमेन ना जनु मेन रखा पड़ो से कौन कही एटलिस्ट 2 men. So only 2 cases are possible, that is 3 women 3 men, 4 women 2 men, 4 women 2 men. Okay. So in the next class we do some other problem using permutation and combination, that is the mixed problem and other concept. So using this concept you can do some problems of your study material using this concept and textbook. Okay, thank you.